Good morning, children. Children, I am Bulbul Sen Gupta, your maths teacher. How are you, children? Now I am going to start your today's session. Okay, children. Before starting the children, let me remind you. Always, you should have some moral values, because moral values are very much important for the development of an individual. Money, occupation, and good clothes, all these things are important, but much more important is to have moral values, civic sense, all these things, okay, and a good character. All these things builds a person's individuality. Okay, so now children, with this little bit lesson that I have given to you, I am going to start today's lesson, that is length, unit number 5. Now children, do you remember, you have learnt in your previous class, that is standard 3, that centimeter, do you remember children? Centimeter, that is short form cm. Meter, short form m. Kilometer, do you remember this? Short form km. Yes, I think you have remembered. It was told that all these are units to measure the length. Now we know that children, 1 kilometer is equals 1000 meter. You know it. And 1 meter is equals 100 centimeter. And also you know that the standard unit of length is what? Meter. Okay. Standard unit of length is meter. M-E-T-R-E. That is M. Correct? Now, and what is the smallest unit of length? What is the smallest unit of length? The smallest unit of length is millimeter. The smallest unit of length is what? Is millimeter. That is mm. Correct? Now, children, I am going to show you some things which are used to measure the length. See, this is a measuring scale. So it is used to measure the length. Now we can use our hand spans also, like this. We can use measure with the help of, we can use with the help of these arms from this. What is this? This is elbow. From elbow to this hand, palm. We use to measure it. 1 and then 2. Okay. And again, for measuring the greater length, we used to use this step. We use this step. Okay. To measure the length of the saris, measure the length of the building, measuring the length of the anything, that is bench, blackboard. We can also use this tape to measure the length of this whiteboard. Right? So all the various things you can use, it depends. We can use a thread. With the help of thread we can use the feet to measure the length of the floor, and anything you can use. But the standard unit generally we use to measure the length is scale and tape. Right? Now, children, name any 5 things. Name any 5 things that sold by the shopkeeper. Children, you have gone to the shop, might have gone to the market. So you have seen that the shopkeeper sold the things by measuring. By measuring the length of anything. Will you tell me? First thing, when we go to the shop of a clothes shop, we go to the shop of a sari shop. So first thing, sari. Second is cloth. Whenever you go to buy a cloth of your, in order to build your skirt and shirt, then how does the shopkeeper gives you? He takes the measurement with the help of this tape, measurement of the cloth, and then the cloth, the measurement, the required length that is needed, he cuts it. You used to tell the shopkeeper that I need 1 meter of the cloth, 2 meter of the cloth. So the shopkeeper takes the measurement with the help of this tape, and then in this way, with the help of this tape, and then he used to take the measurement, and then he, after the required length, he cuts the cloth and gives it to you. So the length is measured by measuring the length, sari, cloth, and then ropes. Okay, and then anything, tell me the length of the wood, and then how does the shopkeeper sells the things, the length of the bamboos, and various things are sold by measuring the lengths. Now next question. You can, whenever you used to go to buy spears, we used to go to buy ropes, we used to go to buy the threads, and we go to buy anything, the pipes, the electricity wire, all these are bought with the help of, by measuring length. The shopkeeper used to sell all these things by measuring length. Now come to the next question. It is, you will have to do. Question number 2. Find the length of any 3 objects. Any 3 objects of your room. So children, you will have to find the length of any 3 objects of your, where? Of your room. You must be having a room, your room is there. So you will have to find out the length of any 3 objects of your room. This is your classwork. Now next is, you have to tell the unit of which unit is used in order to measuring all these things. When we are used to express these things, so which unit is used to express? So come to question number 3. Which unit will you choose to express the following? First, height of a telephone pole. Okay, so for example, this is a telephone pole. So how we will use to express this height? Telephone pole is quite bit longer than you, so it is used to measure. It is expressed in the form of what? Meter. Right? Now next, it is expressed in the form of telephone is meter. Now next one is the length of your skirt. The length of your skirt or shorts. So it is, I think, from your waist to up to your knee. What will be the, which unit you will use? It is centimeter. Now next, distance between Delhi and Agra. It is quite long distance. Distance between Delhi, so we will use the greater unit, that is kilometer. Correct? Now come to the next, the height of your study table. What is the height? Next is D. The height of your study table. Height of your study table. It is in centimeter. Next is distance between the earth and the moon. Distance between the earth and the moon. That is, which unit you will express to measure the distance? Kilometer. Right? Now next, the length of a road. The length of a road. Which unit you will use? You will use in kilometer. Next is length of a road. It is kilometer. Okay? Now, next topic is conversion. This thing you have to learn. Okay? Conversions. First is conversion means converting. Whether you are converting, you have to convert from bigger unit to the smaller unit, or you have to convert from a smaller unit to bigger unit. So here I am going to discuss converting bigger unit into smaller unit. Okay, children? So here all of you see, I am firstly going to teach you converting meters into centimeters. Okay? All of you know, children, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Always keep in mind, you have to learn it. Now, always remember, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. We have to convert meter to centimeter. Okay? Now, here we see, in order to, when we are going to convert the meter to centimeter, we multiply the number of meter, see properly, number of meter by 100. Why? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we multiply the number of meter by 100 to convert meter into what? Centimeters. Correct? Because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Whenever we are going to convert from meter to centimeter, what we will do? We multiply the number of meter by 100. We multiply the number of meter by 100 to convert the meters into centimeters. Now let us take an example. All of you see. 1 meter. How we will convert it? What I have said, the number of meter. Here number of meter is 1. Right? So number of the meter will be multiplied with 100. Correct? So that, what is 100? It is 100 centimeter. So number of meter will be multiplied by 100 centimeter. Then the meter is converted into 1 times of 100 is 100. It becomes converted into centimeter. Now let us take another example. For example, instead of 1, I am writing 3 meter. What we will do? This number is 3. What is the number of meter? 3. So this 3 will be multiplied by 100 centimeter. then it is equal to 3 times of 100 is 300 centimeter. See how this meter is converted into centimeter. Now let us take another example. 5 meter. You have to convert it. For how we will convert? We will convert this number 5. We will multiply this number of meter with 100 centimeter. Right? Now what is the result? 5 times of 100 is 500. I will write down this unit centimeter because I am going to convert this meter into centimeter. Right? It is converted. Correct? Now children, let us go. I am going to convert another bigger unit, that is kilometer to meter. Now all of you have learnt in previous class 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? This is the value of 1 kilometer. So here I am converting kilometers into meters. Right? What we will do? We multiply the number of kilometer will be multiplied by 1000. So here I see 5 kilometer. Okay. What we will do? We will multiply the number of kilometer with the 1000 meter. The number of kilometer will be multiplied with the 1000 meter. So here 5 will be multiplied with 1000 meter. Then it is equal to 5000 meter. Correct? So what you will do? The number of kilometer will be multiplied by 1000 meter. Why? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer equal to 5 into 1000. That is equal to 5000 meter. So what happened in this? We multiply the number of kilometer with 1000 meter, and then kilometer converts into what? Converts into meter. Okay children, we multiply the number of kilometer with 1000 meter, then kilometer is converts into meter. Let us take one more example. 17 kilometer. How you will convert? I will multiply this number of kilometer, that is 17 will be multiplied with 1000 meter. Okay, then 17 times of 1000 is 17,000, and I will write down this unit. So all of you see this kilometer and this is meter. How they are converting? It converts. Kilometer converts into meter by multiplying the number of kilometer with the 1000 meter. Now next one is third one. Third one topic is converting meter and centimeter. We convert meter and centimeter into meter. So here we see that we have to convert meter and centimeter into centimeter. We have to convert meter and centimeter into centimeters. Convert meter and centimeter into centimeter. Here what we will see? 4 meter 50 centimeter. Here firstly what we will do? We will convert this 4 meter into centimeter. So what we will do? The number of meter will be multiplied by 100 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and then plus this 50 centimeter will be added. Now 4 into 100 is 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, that is equal to 450 centimeter. See how this meter and centimeter converts into centimeter. Now let us take another example. 17 meter 8 centimeter. How we will convert it? Firstly, we will convert this meter into centimeter by multiplying this 17, the number of meter with 100. Okay. Then add with this extra centimeter. So 17 times of 100 is 1700. It is centimeter. Centimeter plus 8 centimeter. After addition, it is 1708 centimeter. So what I have done? What I have done? Simple. The number we convert, firstly what I have convert, we convert the meter into centimeter first, then we add it to the number of centimeter. For example, 5 meter and 3 centimeter. Firstly, what we will do, we will convert this 5 meter into centimeter by multiplying the number of meter with 100 centimeter. And then add it, we have to add it with what? With this, the number of centimeter. We have to add it with the number of centimeter. Here the number of centimeter is 3. Firstly, we will convert this 5. We will multiply, the number of meter will be multiplied by 100. So it is converted into centimeter, and then add this number. We add 5 into 100 centimeter to the number of centimeter, that is 3 centimeter. We add 5 into 100 centimeter. This one, it is converted. 5 meter is converted into centimeter, 5 into 100 centimeter, 5 is multiplied by 100 centimeter, and then we have to add it with the number of centimeter, that is 3. So what is this? 5 times of 100 is 500 centimeter. So this converted, the meter is converted into centimeter, and it is added with this number of centimeter. So it is 503 centimeter. Okay children? Now next is we have to convert kilometer and meter into meter. Okay. So here what we will see, let's take the example, 6 kilometer and 250 meter. So here what we will do, we convert this 6 kilometer into meter firstly, and then we add this conversion of 6 kilometer into meter will be added to the number of meter. So here all of you see, the number of 6 will be multiplied, 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. So I will multiply 6 with 1000 meter. Now we will add it to this number 250 meter with it. Correct? Now we find the solution. 6 times of 6000 is 6000 meter will be added to the number of meter, 250 meter. So it is equal to 6250 meter. So see all of you how this meter and kilometer, this one meter and kilometer is converted into only meter. So here we will see that, we can see that, say that this number of kilometer will be multiplied with what? Will be multiplied with the 1000 meter, and then add it to the meter of the number of the meter. What we have done, the number of the kilometer is multiplied with the 1000 times of meter, and then add it to the number of the meter. Here 6 kilometer, 6 is multiplied by 1000 plus it is added to the number of meter, 250 meter. So 6 times of 1000 is 6000 meter plus 250 meter. This is written, and then after addition it is 6250 meter. Now let us discuss the unit. I am discussing question number 1 to serially. So here children, in question number 1, it is fill in the blanks. Just fill in the blanks. Okay, so here you have to fill in the blank, that is 4 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 8 meter equal to how many centimeter? So here 4 will be multiplied by 100, it is 400 centimeter. 8 will be multiplied by 100, it is 800 centimeter. Similarly, you will do question number 1. It is your class work. Now come to question number 2. Convert the following into centimeter. into centimeter. Okay, you have to convert the following question into centimeters. That is 3 meter and 40 centimeter. What I have told you, the number of this meter will be multiplied with 100 centimeter, and then we add it with this number of centimeter, that is 40 centimeter. So it is equal to 3 times of 100 is 300 centimeter plus 40 centimeter, it is equals 340 centimeter. In this way you will solve question number 2. And now in question number 3, in question number 3, convert the following into meter. Okay, so here 4 kilometer and 315 meter. So here what we will do, the number of this kilometer will be multiplied by 1000 meter, because 1 kilometer is equals 1000 meter, and we will add it with this number of meter, that is 315 meter. So after 4 times of 1000 meter is 4000, added to this meter 315 meter. So after addition it is 4350 meter. So in this way children, you will do question number 3. And question number 4, it is true and false. Okay, 6 meter 3 centimeter equals 63 centimeter. You have to state whether the statement is true or false. So in question number 4, it is true and false. So in question number 4, you have to state true or false. So whether I am reading it, 6 meter 3 centimeter equals 63 centimeter. You have to state it whether it is true or false. B, 14 meter 20 centimeter is equal to 1420 centimeter. State it whether true or false. C, 9 kilometer 52 meter equals 952 meter. You have to state it whether it is true or false. D, E, F. All this you have to, your classwork is unit number 5, worksheet 1, question number 1 and 2 is your C work, and H work is worksheet 1, question number 3 and 4 is your homework. Now children, hope you have enjoyed my class. If you are having any kind of problem or doubt, we can clear it through the Cisco or WhatsApp. Till then, goodbye.